Howdy folks, this is Tushar this side. Setting up Maven on Windows is probably one of the easiest things you can do. But again, because we don't do it very often, we tend to forget the steps. So in this quick video, I just wanted to capture these steps and set up Maven on Windows. Let's get started. So the first thing you need is a JDK installation on your system, which happens to be the prerequisite for Maven. In this video, we will assume that we already have a JDK installation on our system. So we'll put a tick against our prerequisite and move forward. In case you don't have a JDK installation on your system, I would recommend you install the JDK first and then continue with this video. Next, we will verify if we got Java home system variable set in our system variables. So let's open the system properties, go to advanced, environment variables, and here we will be adding a new variable if it doesn't exist already called Java home. And the variable value will be the installation folder for your JDK, which is usually here in program files in my case, unless you have installed it somewhere else. So we'll just copy this path as the variable value for Java home. Click OK and save. Next, apart from the Java home variable, we also need to add paths to the Java bin folder in the path system variable. So let's open the system properties once again, go to advanced environment variables, and let's navigate to path variable, edit it, and here we'll be adding a new value to the bin folder like this. Say new, copy and save. Done. So far we have done three things. We have verified we have a JDK installation on our system, we have a Java home variable set in the environment path, and we are also added the Java bin folder to the path variable. Now it's time to download the Maven. So let's go to Maven Apache org and download the binaries for Maven, which in our case will be this one. Download. Now let's navigate to the downloaded folder and extract these binaries. So this is our Apache Maven. Now all you need to do is actually put this extracted binaries in an easily accessible location. So what I generally do is I put my dev tools in a folder on my C drive called dev tools. So I'll simply copy this into this DevTools folder like so. Done. So extracting the Maven zip folder is the installation for Maven. You don't need to do anything else for installation. Now in order to make Maven accessible from anywhere on the Windows, we will do the same thing which we did for the Java. Basically, we'll be adding a system variable and appending the path to Maven in the path variable. So let's open our system properties, advanced environment variables, and here under the system variables we'll be creating a new variable called m2 home, and we'll be putting the path to Maven as the variable value. Click save, and that's done. Next we will be appending the value of the Apache bin folder to the path system variable. So let's open the system properties once again, navigate to advanced environment variables, and let's open up our path variable, and here we create a new value and just say copy the path to the Maven bin. In fact, there's a better way to do this. You can also, since we already got the m2 home variable set, we can specify the path to bin folder using this %m2 home %bin, which is equivalent to the longer path. And in fact, we could have done the same thing for the bin folder for Java. So let's do it now. We can replace this entire thing with %% Java home. Click OK. saved, done. So with this last step, we have completed the setup of Maven on Windows. Now, just before we take an exit, it's a good idea to check or verify our setup is working. So you can do this from a command prompt. So open a command prompt and type mvn -- version. So as you can see, the Maven command is working and it has returned us the version of installed Maven. So that completes our setup of Maven on Windows. So that's all for now, folks. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.